Building construction with asthma and allergen control strategies. All Americans feel and dream that they can achieve a better, richer and happier life. Owning a car and a house are only two of these American dreams. But there is a big difference in the manufacturing or construction process of these two products. A car is built in specialized factories with a lot of quality control. So the end product, a car you purchased, will deliver what you have expected in it. But one's biggest investment, your house, is locally constructed. There is no comparison between the quality control of car manufacturing and house construction. Ladies and gentlemen, in this class on building construction with asthma and allergen control strategies, I will teach you a lot of valuable points that one should know when you build a house. This knowledge also would be highly useful even if you are buying a house, because you would know what to look for, what questions to ask, and what information to generate. An engineer, an architect, and a contractor, with the help from numerous subcontractors, can build you a nice-looking quality house. It does not necessarily mean that they can or they will deliver you a house that will be built with asthma and allergen control strategies. This requires some knowledge of the biology and physics and a good amount of quality time spent on visual inspections during the construction process. Unfortunately, many builders fail in this area. This class will equip you with that power and knowledge. Of course, remember, the knowledge is powerful only when it is applied. Ladies and gentlemen, to my knowledge, this is the only such course you can take today through the internet that will teach you a great deal about building construction with asthma and allergen control strategies. You will learn a lot about the right design, how to select the right plot for construction, what qualities do you need to find in your contractor and architect, and more important, in the subcontractors. You will learn about the availability of technologically advanced construction materials that can be used for the construction. You will learn about timing of the various processes, when to do and what. You will learn dust control. You will learn the best installation practices for your air conditioning system. All of these are important. You will learn how to avoid water condensation, mold, insects and mites. You will learn how your landscape design would affect your indoor air quality. Ladies and gentlemen, the information that you are about to learn comes from my 20 years of experience with the building industry and my job as a professor and inspection of human health problem buildings that are worth altogether over $1 billion. Moreover, I have walked the talk with the construction of my own house with these strategies and mistakes I have seen in its construction. I can share with you how to improve even better. This would be a class that you will not regret spending the time and effort. For that matter, all my classes are designed to give you high value and a powerful media presentation so that you retain the memory for a long time. Thank you for joining me to discuss building construction with asthma and allergen control strategies. This is a technique that can be passed on to your loved ones. Thank you for listening. I'm Dr. Maniskari and I hope to see you in my class.